Hi everyone, happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video every day. It means so much to me if you can also subscribe my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell so you know the time I release my video. If this is the first time you discover my channel, hello, I'm Steve Jan. My YouTube channel focuses 90% skincare and beauty and 10% lifestyle. Now, let's get to know me a little bit more.
So much.
How
I've been
do you
filming,
look like this?
You know how I look like this. I use these two products like day to day. This is, so I want to talk to you about my ritual because I have a ritual.
Everyone can use this, and this special kit is after your toner, and you can put a couple drops, press on the skin. It balances, it renews the skin, make your skin even more radiant. Now you see all my background in cosmetic experience for over 27 years. And this is the reason why you want to subscribe my YouTube channel, because I give you the best recommendation for skincare and beauty, plus lots skincare tips. So make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel. Alright, today's videos we are going to do my favorite thing, unboxing. This time we're going to open April BoxyCharm basic box. Let's see if it is worth the $27.99. I'm pretty sure by now a lot of people are already familiar with BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm have 3 different boxes. 2 of them are the monthly subscription. 1 of them is the quarterly subscription. This is the basic box for $27.99, and usually you'll get 5 full-size items, value up to $215. I already received my premium box 2 weeks ago, which I love it because a lot of skincare. This box feels pretty heavy, so we'll see what's happening. Let's open this one right now. Okay, so this is the April box that you always comes with little cards right here. Give you a basic product description. They are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different products right here. The first one, this is by Studio Makeup. Oh, skincare, yes! It is the hyaluronic acid. This is $45 for 1 ounce. Whoa, that's expensive. So it's Studio Makeup. I never heard this brand before. Probably is new. It's a very simple, classic glass bottle. Hyaluronic acids in there. Let's give it a try right now. I'll show you guys. Oh, this particular one. Oh, it's not bad. It has a weird scent in there, but there's no fragrance though. I don't think so. It dries very quickly. Hey, I like it. The box is pretty nice. It's a soft touch box. This is the box, what it looks like. I can show you guys if you want to see this. It's a cruelty-free, recycled packaging, environmental friendly. And this is actually made in USA, Studio Makeup. Very nice. All right, let's move on to the next item. See, this is $45. My money is already back, so that's a good deal. This one is by Estetica. The cream contour kit is $40. So there are 6 different colors in here. Cream contour. Oh, this is the booklet. It tells you how to contour the face. I lightly give you instruction because most of the people will not know how to use this. So it's very nicely give you instructions. It has a mirror in here, which is great, and these are the contour cream palette, and they kind of give you an idea how to use this. So cream contour definitely create more natural finish. Oh, this is interesting. You can actually pop this out, and I suppose they do refill. I don't know, but yeah. I like the idea that they let you pop out and you can put other stuff in there. Okay, so one of this day I should do contour on my face to show you guys. But $40 for this is actually pretty expensive though. It just, those contour kit is not very big, so you can use too much. All right, the next item is another palette right here. Beauty Bakery, and this is $38. It's their eyeshadow palette. So let's take a look. So it looks a lot of lemon in there, so it looks very, very spring. Okay, it's a very soft touch on the packaging. I think the packaging has played a big part right now in this day when you're buying makeup or eyeshadows. So you can see it has a mirror right there, which is really great. And there are 9 different colors right here. To me, this was just okay. Nothing spectacular. Pretty basic eyeshadow. So I don't want to swatch on my skin. But you know what I mean. Sometimes when you get packaged, it looks like amazing. But this is just really standard. I don't want to say boring, but standard. Okay, so the next item is by Flirtatious Look Cosmetics. Wow, that's a very long name for the company. The Perfect Duo Foundation Travel Sets. So how much is this baby here? $30. So this is the little foundation brushes, synthetic hair. Let me get a little to show you guys that. I mean, it's not bad. And then there's a little sponge right here. Let me see. I like this. Let me tell you why. So this is a very standard shape, like a teardrop shape, right? But I like they put a little flat area right here. So this way, when I apply, this can sit on my skin. Personally, I like a flat area rather than just all smooth and silky, because this is a little bit harder to do, at least for my skin. So I like this. So this is good. Okay, not bad. I would definitely use this. And then there is Satin Luxe eyebrow gel for $22. You know, let's try it right now because I can use some for my eyebrows. So, wow, this is the tiniest brushes here. I think this is a clear gel. Yeah, I think so. Hold on. Let me get my camera here. Okay, it's a clear gel. Okay. I mean, it's clear gel, so you're not gonna see like, oh my god, it's amazing difference. So, terrible. How much is this one? $22. This cannot be the full size. This is like a baby size. This looks to me like travel size. Am I happy about this box? Well, like I always say here, when you get in beauty box, it's like a Christmas gift. You never know what you're gonna get, right? As long as you have 1 or 2 items that you like, money is worth it. I definitely will use the hyaluronic acid because I'm a skincare person. I always love skincare. This is good. Eyebrow gel, sure, why not? I mean, I need eyebrow gel. And I would definitely use a sponge, but I don't know because I don't really use brushes for foundation. It takes too long. And this is things very small brushes. So it will take a lot of work to blend in. So this is not my favorite, but this I love because the shape right here, the flat. See that? So this 3 product, I would totally use this. So yeah, so let me know what you think about this box. Is it worth the money? Do you like the item? So leave the feedback below. Let me know, and I'd love to hear from you. All right, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Love you all. Bye.
Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the 2 new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.